On today's episode of World of Micah, we're visiting Epcot, where we're going to be taking a closer look at everything they have for the Florida orange bird. This is going to be a fun and exciting episode. Now, swiftly walking through the parking lot because got a Guardians of the Galaxy reservation got to take care of before we dive into the world of the orange bird. And it's going to be Abby's first time on Guardians.
I know. I feel like I missed the curve of riding it, but
oh, no.
I'm excited. I'm excited nonetheless.
Yeah, there's not many people have ridden this. I mean, there's a lot, but not as many as you think. It took me a while to ride it. Got up early, 7 a.m., and booked the reservation. And honestly, booked it at 7. It's 9:30 right now, and our reservation time's for 9:40. So, I mean, it's pretty good. Pretty quick. It's not like how Rise was when that first opened. Gosh, you'd be sitting there. Was it Rise? We were sitting there. You had to get in the park at like 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Everybody's sitting around, and then you hear people cheering. It was like everyone looking for a Wonka bar. Like a golden ticket in a Wonka bar. And like you hear the families cheer, and the other families would get pissed off because they didn't get one. So it was kind of funny. It was sad, but we're heading in now. All right, made it inside. Let's go. We were boarding group 20 today. It's pretty good. Man, this is going by quick. We are just booking it. Such a fun ride. And I ran so far away. First time I've ever had that song. All right, first stop of the Orange Bird trip today. We're gonna go inside Connections Eatery. They have like a waffle, like a Belgian waffle for the orange bird. Let's check it out. Oh, and by the way, it's in this horrendous Starbucks line, but it's fine. I'm gonna be here for the day, so might as well go ahead and grab it now. And not many people know that they're all stepping on Walt's original design for the experimental community or city, depending on what interview you're watching. Tomorrow, the original plans for Epcot. It's all on the floor here inside the Starbucks. Oh yeah, there's that orange bird. Check it out. It's where Figment normally is. Oh yeah, here's the jackpot, the orange bird bag. And we've got a mug here. It's pretty cool. It's like a little Spaceship Earth topiary. And this is the Spirit jersey. The front and the back. Spreading the sunshine. Very, very 70s. Which is fitting for this orange bird. These are really cool. Here's a t-shirt they have. It says Groovy Garden on it. That's kind of cool. Not my thing, but it's cool. It's like a little planner with the orange bird on it. And I remember when these things were first coming out, the trash can salt and pepper shakers. Still around. And then they have a tank top and a pair of shorts here as well. With orange bird rocking the sunglasses. Just noticed the hat too. The brim is pretty cool. As I say, spreading the sunshine. That's cool. And they have this annual pass holder corksicle with the orange bird on it. Yeah, nothing on the back, just corksicle. But just for pass holders. And the button set, the pin set, trading pin set, orange bird on there with Figment and the fairest of them all. Then they have these are garden stakes with an orange bird on the garden stake. And this is a really cool pass holder shirt with the orange bird on there. Look at that flower and garden pass holder. Flower power. And a limited release magic band with the orange bird on here. And just to make it easy on everyone, here are the prices for everything orange bird and also everything they have here. So if you want to pause the video right now, go ahead and get your credit card ready, because that's what you're probably going to be needing for this stuff. $80 for that Spirit jersey alone. All right, because Abby is so awesome, she stood in line while I went and filmed all the merchandise. Thank you. I got this orange bird with sprinkles and cream and everything. Little waffle, comes wrapped, so you can travel with it. We got a little cold brew here, sweet cream.
Word to the wise. It's a long line because it's Starbucks. It's not at the regular restaurant. It's in the Starbucks, which I feel like Should have not been a Starbucks.
Yeah, it should have been.
okay.
It should have been the Creations Cafe because that's what they advertise. They don't put Starbucks. So, all right, gonna open up this. There's no syrup to it. It's just the sugar and the cream. Look at this, 3 caballeros here. We are gonna head into the Odyssey building because this is what we're getting today. Orange Bird sipper that we have, but he's holding the original orange sipper that they sold here, the Magic Kingdom 1971. And I believe in certain Florida, like roadside gift shops, as you're entering into Central Florida, you know, those little citrus stops. Not like gas stations, but they're like little fruit stands. They used to sell a lot of that stuff. So that's what we're gonna grab. I'm excited. Now they were gonna try and get the citrus baked brie. Abby and I tried brie for the first time at Disneyland watching World of Color, and we've liked brie ever since. And just a heads up, you do have to mobile order it. They have a QR code. So you mobile order it here and then you pick it up. Oh, this is really neat. Look at that. Little orange blossom like logo style. They're styling that after. And the nice lady, the cast member, told me that you can actually order it online. Oh my gosh, there's so much merchandise in here. This is like Orange Bird Haven. Holy jeez.
Perfect, thank you.
But she said you could order online and you could do it as early as 7 a.m. Like go ahead and pre-buy your Orange Bird, and then when you show up, you can just stop in here and pick it up. Oh yes, you were coming home with me, buddy. And I got my my beverage in a separate cup. They're nice enough to do that. So, got my Orange Bird and my drink. Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thanks. Ooh, that looks delicious. I forget, I'm not a huge fan of this. It's very thick, but it's like a dreamsicle. It's just a lot. It's good though. It's cold. It is refreshing, but it's like ice cream. But I'm stoked about this. Got the Walt Disney World Orange Bird and a little sipper. Somewhere I have one of these.
You're gonna get the cheese too?
The orange, he's very orange. The color is pretty impressive. I'm stoked I got this. It's gonna go in my collection of like tiki mugs and stuff. And we also got the brie and the shrimp tempura skewers with sesame seeds and like a honey glaze on it. Looks pretty good. What do you think, Orange Bird? And they've got a huge mural in here. Greetings from Flower and Garden Festival with the Orange Bird here. 2023 Grown Impact Bay Lake Produce Company. That's amazing because this looks like the old school Florida produce companies, like the way they used to put their logos on the little wooden boxes that they would ship the oranges and everything that you could purchase. Yeah, this place is quite popular for Orange Bird memorabilia and merchandise. Look at this, this actually swings. That's amazing. That's the ornament for the Orange Bird. And there's another little photo op here with the Orange Bird, and look at the sun right here. Dude, super 70s vibe. Come on, get happy. That's a total vibe I'm getting here. There's that Orange Bird gift card right here for the festival as well. It was hard to show, but they do have the Orange Bird Little Golden Book for $6 here on sale, just like they used to have. The Odyssey has turned into a Orange Bird heaven. And we're gonna take a trip around World Showcase now. Got a little food in us. Got a little Orange Bird traveling with us. It's gonna be a busy Saturday, but it'll be a fun Saturday. The weather is on our side. Sun's out, but there's cloud coverage and there's a nice breeze. And we snagged a Frozen Ever After lightning lane. Just noticed Kristoff right up here. Never noticed that before. Usually everybody's running in. I think they should have left that open like they did for Maelstrom. It could have still worked for this attraction. And Frozen Ever After is an amazing ride. I love this dark ride. Got a little wet, but it's all in all some good fun. It's nice to get out of the heat every now and then. Plus, we scored that lightning lane because it was a 70-minute wait. Heading across the rest of World Showcase. Today's been fun. Basin has Orange Bird body butter you can get here. Look at that. Orange Bird. It's becoming oh so popular. That's cool. Yeah, Basin has a little stand set up here right outside of Germany. Look at this Tiana topiary. Wow. Hanging moss. She looks awesome, but I'm gonna head inside the Art of Disney and see if there's any Orange Bird artwork inside. Oh yeah, immediately seeing some Orange Bird artwork in here. Made it to Japan. Wanted to show the topiary dragon here. It's one of my favorites every year. We got Kermit and Miss Piggy here. And I tell you, the first time I ever saw Kermit the Frog and Miss Piggy riding a bicycle, my mind was blown. Jim Henson was a genius. And made it completely around the World Showcase. It's got Thumper, Flower here. Still hunting down anything Orange Bird I can find. Now these are not festival specific, but they do have Orange Bird merch here inside the gift shop right as you get to World Showcase. These are one of the guys you can magnet to have him like sitting on your shoulder. And they have some Crocs down here, Orange Bird Crocs. I usually don't do a flower and garden or food and wine like specific episode, because so many other people do that, and their videos I think are great advice. They give all the news and everything you need. I kind of just throw it in along with a different subject. And today was all about the Orange Bird. I see them doing some construction in the distance here. Was really hoping a monorail would come by, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Well, this was a lot of fun, finding all the Orange Bird memorabilia, food, and different treats, and even getting the sipper. The new Orange Bird sipper today. I had a lot of fun. And we got to ride Guardians of the Galaxy and Frozen Ever After. What a fun day. But man, is it hot. It's getting to be about 1 o'clock now, and we're going to be heading out for the day. But I think we came, we saw, we took care of business here today, and our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.